Good morning all of you. Today I am unboxing RS Khurme Thermal Engineering book. So let's begin. First of all, we have to cut this gift wrapper. So we cut this gift wrapper. After opening this gift wrapper, we have get this book. So the price of book is around 500 rupee from Amazon. And here is a catalog. This book contains around 40 chapters. You can see here. To see the chapter name, you can pause the video. This book contains around 900 pages. This book is generally preferred for SSC JEE, RRB JEE and other competitive examination. This book contains lots of numerical according to the syllabus of SSC JEE, RRB JEE and other competitive examination. So here is the review of this book. The price is mentioned in this book is around 750, but you can buy it 500 from Amazon.